Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Marangis from DMAX Digital Channel. In today's video, I would like to show us on how to buy and sell crypto in exchange or in any kind of exchange, but I want to do an example. I will make an example with Bybit, and still inside the same video, I would like to, show us on how to calculate profit and loss and how to settle your stop loss and take profits at the same time. So before I will just go into the video, I would like to say it. If you are new in this channel, please like, subscribe, and share it to your friends and family. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do, you are going to open Bybit Exchange, which is, you are going to say it like this. This is a sketch of the home of Bybit. Once you enter the Bybit, you are going to click this area. Make sure that you are pay attention on all the indications I'm using so that you get the video clearly. You press on assets, you click on assets, then you go to spot trading. In every exchange we have two kind of trading: spot and future trading or perpetual. So you're going to choose the spot trading. I'm going to do an example on how to buy crypto and sell crypto here in this exchanger Bybit. So once you enter this environment, I would like to show us where to search the coins. You are going to click this where you see Sol/USDT, and you click it. Once you click, you will see the varieties of coins and the other stages and other currencies that you can use to buy some crypto with. So these are them: USDT, USDC, USDE, Euro, Brazilian, and so on. So I'm going to use USDT. So what you will see in here, it is just an exchange, meaning what? Coin to stable coin. From stable coin to fiat money, which is the money, the currency that your country use, whatsoever the country is, wherever the country. So now this coin is people, and this is TIER, this is POL, this is BCH, and ETHIF. So anyone you choose, you can use, you can buy it with USDT. So I would like to use Solana. Let me back to the homepage. So this is the area. Once you want to buy a coin, you are going to click this place where they say buy. You click a buy, and then once you buy, you want to sell, you click here where they say sell. So now I'll go straight forward to calculation on how to make money on cryptocurrency. Very easy. So it is not an easy job. Without knowledge, you cannot be able to make money in cryptocurrency. You are going to stay in loss. Understand? Make sure that you learn cryptocurrency, make money into cryptocurrency. So now, for example, I will go to the history of this Solana coin specifically. For example, now I'll click this environment where the chart is. So I'll go for daily, then I will scroll back. This is the actual current price of Solana coin in the market. This one, that is 130.54 USDT. So now I just want to check what is the profit if I buy Solana at this rate now. So let me quickly go to the weekly chart. I come to realize that the Solana in a history, it's a reach 210.25 USDT. Let me check whether there is higher price like that. Yeah, amazing. 260, that's the higher high that Solana approach. So now Solana reaches 260.92 in a history. What is the date that Solana beat this price? So if I press the area, it will tell me. So this is the day and the year and month. In the 22nd of November 2021, Solana reached $260.92. So and then the current price in the market is $130. So let me back to my calculator and check what is the profit if I buy Solana at this rate. For example, I will calculate 260.92 minus 130. I am expecting the profit of 130.92, which is Solana is 1x, something like that. This is amazing. So in the other hand, I have to check what is the loss if Solana go to the total low. We have total high and we have total low. This is the total. For example, the last price that at a down movement that Solana reached, which is we call the total low, and the last high as a movement which is uptrending that Solana touch, that is 260 point something. So let me check what is the loss. Wow, this is the price that Solana reached, 7.91 US dollars as a total low. So let me calculate the profit, and then I'll get back to the dashboard and give us a calculation on the loss again. So now, assuming Solana, I buy Solana at the rate of what? At that rate. I buy Solana at the rate of total low, which is 7.92 or 91. So I bought Solana for 2,000 US dollar. Pay attention on this environment, please. This is where this other price, meaning the Solana, the price of Solana in the market when you are buying it. You understand? So, for example, this is the order price. I hope we are getting. So now, this quantity, once this is a number of pieces of Solana that you are going to get according to the price. This is order volume, meaning the investment, the USDT that you want to put to buy Solana. I hope we are getting. I'm giving this calculation. Why? Because people have to understand on how to make profit and loss in this business. So let me quickly put the active price, that is the total low of Solana, 7.91, and then I will put my investment. I want to invest 2,000 US dollars. As I see that opportunity in crypto, once a deep market happens, it is an opportunity for a wise people to enter market. I hope we are getting. So now I will enter with 2,000 US dollars. As I enter with 2,000 US dollars as a previous low of Solana, that is total low of the market, I get 252.844 Solanas, number pieces of Solanas. For the example, now I took Solana at the rate of 7.9. Now I want to sell Solana at the rate of 130 US dollars. So let us see the magic. I will change the price here. I will change this price to the current price. I will do it this way. Amazing. Look at the price of Solana if I bought it at the rate of 7.91 USDT. So I will sell it as current price right now. I am getting 32,932.93 USDT. This is amazing. So what is the time ranging that took me to get this price, to get this money? 32 with my 2,000 US dollar and get 32,000, almost 33,000 US dollars. So I have to check it. How many years it took me. Wow. So let me back to my chart. I will do it this way. The total low of Solana at that price, I get it 11 on look at the dates here. Look at the dates. That is 2023. It is a year. 2023, we are in 2024. That is 9th January 2023. And we are in what? 2024, approaching October. So it's like 1 year and some months. That's amazing. So what about to calculate the loss? It is very easy. just do it vice versa. As you invest at that price, for example, those people that they buy Solana, they are expecting Solana to go, they buy Solana at the rate of that 260, they bought it as 260.9, and they invest their 2,000 US dollars. They have 7 Solana 0.6, and the Solana price fall to what? To 7.91, and their 2,000 US dollar become 60.6 US dollars. This is very, very funny, but let me give a strategy. If market takes you like this, don't be angry. Please don't be angry. It's an opportunity again. Go and look for 2,000 US dollars or 4,000 US dollars. I believe that this market will not stay like this. It will bounce back. It is correction or pull back totally. You understand? It did pull back to where? To certain amount, to certain price. So you have to buy the dip and wait for the market pushing back forward. Once, for example, you put your $2,000 come back to $60.6, let us calculate together. And now forget about the money that you lost. You are in loss of almost 1,940 US dollars. So forget about it. That money, keep it aside. You hold the coin. Don't go outside to the market. You take the defeat if you do that, which is very, very bad in crypto space. So now what you will do, as your money comes like this, just try and buy the dip sharply. Let us buy the dip at this price for 4,000 US dollars and see. We buy Solana almost how many? We buy like 505.6 Solana at this rate. For example, you are of $1,900, almost 2,000. Let it be, to sake of argument, $2,000. You lost your money, but you are in the market still, and you buy the dip for 4,000 US dollars, and the price of Solana reaches how many US dollars? Reaches. Let's say it's, the price of Solana now it's around, let us say, $30. As Solana go back to just $30, not 260. As far as you bought it at that price of 260, I believe that must come back to that portion. But now you buy the dip, for 4,000. Look at the money that you are. Look at your $4,000, $15,170 at the rate of $30. All the loss you have made, you cover them at just short period of time. This is crypto. This is the magic in crypto. Buy the dip. Every dip in this market is an what? Is an opportunity to buy. I hope we are getting. If we calculate 15,170, let us do it this way. You invest 4,000, 15,000. Let it be $15,000 minus 4,000 plus 2,000, 6,000 minus 6,000. With your that previous investment, you are in the profit of 9,000 US dollars. You remove the profits aside. But if I will not remove the profits. Why? Because I am just waiting bastard money in a short time. That is how crypto is to be. Don't try and run from the market when the market is dipping. Buy the dip. Reserve your money. I hope we are getting. So this is for today's class. So if you are new in this channel, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have my personal YouTube channel, but this is a special class for my students. That is why I give this strategy. Thank you for listening and watching.